physical body. We are trying our body to run at the speed of mind, which cannot run. That is why we are spoiling our own body. We are trying to run our body at our mind speed, which is not possible at all. So it is better if you can run your mind at your body speed. Will help you much better way. One second. Got it?
That should be ideal.
That. Why not?
Wherever you are, whether in your office or in exam and all that, you got to do some work fast.
Listen, that is a time bound limited. That is for a particular time period. For that you should have that much practice, that's all. Listen one thing. This is a common statement, a generalized statement that your body, your mind should work at your body's speed. That will give you best of the results. Number one. Number two, if you require to speed up, but to write in that speed, your body should be that much able to write or not. If you are not preparing your body to accept that speed, you won't be able to complete your paper. Na? Why we ask students to practice on regular basis? Just to make them to write up in particular speed. So that is how. Listen, for that you have to prepare your body. How a cricketer or athlete, they keep on practicing. If they want to bat on the field for 2 hours, they have to practice for 6 hours. Then only they can bat for 2 hours. No? So this is the basic. Yes, sir? You are having some question?
I have a question.
1 second.
I just have written something. You can just have a look. There is a reason why I have given this.
Sir, in this session, basically analysis, I won't be doing it.
I am very particular of punctuation. Now I am very particular about full stop, comma, semicolon, colon dash. I am very particular about ornamental handwriting. My handwriting normally will appear very beautiful on paper. Why is it so?
Listen, that is one liking, that's okay. My basic concern is that your alphabets, if it is wrongly written, you are bound to suffer.
Okay. So you are on the other side.
I am on the side of 3rd standard or 4th standard where you have studied ABCD how to write. I am again 5वीं पास से तो शाहरुख खान ने किया था. We'll go still back. Yes, sir. Yes.
The first question is,
yes.
If a person is totally illegible or illiterate,
No problem.
So he is the healthiest person.
Not necessary. Not, yes, okay. Next line.
So he is unable to write,
No.
unable to read.
Yes.
The second question, the person who doesn't write at all but uses a computer or a text message and things like
No problem.
So again, he is the healthiest person.
No problem.
These two questions.
I'll answer you. Now first, I'll go the other way around. Person who is only on the computer. Person who is only on the computer. Whatever font size he is selecting for his typing work, that affects his mentality. Be rest assured. Whatever the font size he is selecting for his typing work, that font size will bound to affect his mental status. Same way we are diagnosing how visiting card, how catalogs are printed and why they are not giving results. Same way we diagnose that. Number two, person doesn't write. He don't know how to write. Still whether he is signing or not. Thumb impression. Listen one thing. Totally illiterate person, he knows back of his mind that I am not qualified person. He will take lots of precautionary steps to go ahead any time, or he will be totally bolder than any other qualified person. His thinking pattern will be so bold, he will do very less mistakes, because whatever bold step he will be taking up out of his own experiences. He won't be using any knowledge. Where we are failing whatever we have done, we never think back. We never go back and to our own experiences. We are not able to read back our own experiences. That is where we are failing. How many of us go back to old life and read the old experiences in cash again? How many of us? Hardly. We have never thought about. You take up any job today. Out of that, some part you must have done in your previous life. Just day before also. We are not able to revive that, whether this part, whether we have done, how we have done, we never think on that line. The moment we revive our experience, our failure percentage will be almost all less. This is the benefit a person who is not literate, he uses. We don't use. This is the basic problem. Got it? Yes. You are very right. But then how you will refine your thoughts? Why we need to write? Okay, I am coming to the basic question. Why we need to write? We need to write to complete our thought process. Okay, you are SMSing. Why? Why SMS is needed? Communication. Why communication needed? To pass on your thoughts, na? The moment you are typing it, thought which you have already in your mind, and when you are typing, there is some difference. Why? Sorry, that is unless you write it down, your completion process will not be there. Writing is just to complete your thought process. That will give you the missing links. And if you are not properly in tune to your actual thought, you won't be able to write it. That is where you are doing mistake with alphabets. That is how we are catching it. Listen one thing. That is what I have, my dear, I have already given that. I have already given one chart. I have already given this chart. Thought to words, words to action, action to habit, habit to character, character to destiny. I have already given this chart. So, why are we connecting to writing process?
Or a writing pattern for that matter.
Listen one thing. Whatever is your thought, whenever you are putting into action, before putting into action, you have to plan something or not? In mind, maybe in mind, I won't mind. You have to plan something or not? Without combining few thoughts, you cannot make anything. Correct? That process, unless, even in mind, if you are making it, finally, the moment when you are putting it on the paper, even after completion of everything, how you will come to know that whatever you are doing is correct or wrong?
It not be words, it can be only a visual thing. Suppose I can plan goal of my action. I have complete visual.
Okay.
I need no word for that.
Yes. Now, your thought process, why you have taken only for action? Because of your some past experiences, you are not interested to reveal many things. So you are directly interested only in action. This, how we will come to know only from handwriting. About whether you are interested only in action plan. You are not interested in revealing your things. Few people they only talk very little. They only try to take only action. They are not interested in writing their things. Still, but in mind they have that thought process. No? Somewhere they are keeping their records. We can read only handwriting for this purpose. Unless thoughts are put up on paper, we cannot analyze handwriting and the basic character of the person. Okay? Anybody else? Listen, ideal size and font. Madam, go to